gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
When people hear about a smartphone with a built-in cooling fan, they usually picture a powerful gaming flagship. But what if a well-balanced, everyday smartphone came with the same feature? How much of a difference would it actually make? That's exactly what we're checking out today with the brand new Oppo K15, which was officially launched yesterday.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Let's begin with the design. The version we have here is the Speed White color. On the back, Oppo has added a storm-inspired cloud texture that creates a smooth, flowing visual effect as light moves across the surface. Beside the camera module, you'll also find a blue breathing light that reacts during music playback and gaming, while also serving as an indicator for incoming calls and notifications. Even better, the two corner lighting zones can be customized independently, allowing you to change both the colors and lighting effects to match your style. The Oppo K15 measures 8.27 millimeters thick and weighs 205 grams. Thanks to its metal frame, it isn't the lightest phone around, but it still feels solid and premium in the hand. On the front, it features a 6.59-inch 1.5K OLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. It also comes protected with crystal glass and offers IP69 dust and water resistance, giving you extra confidence for daily use. Now let's move on to the standout feature of the Oppo K15, the built-in cooling fan. Oppo has integrated it neatly into the rear camera area, creating a design that looks clean while remaining practical. The air outlet is positioned along the side of the phone. So how loud is it? We measured the noise using a decibel meter placed directly in front of the air vent while the fan was spinning at maximum speed. Even under those conditions, the reading stayed below 40 decibels. During normal everyday use, the fan is impressively quiet. In fact, it's so silent that you might occasionally wonder if it's even running. To see how effective it really is, we carried out a heat test using a thermal camera. We first heated the phone to 48.4 degrees Celsius before switching on the fan. After 2 minutes, the temperature dropped to 45 degrees. 4 minutes later, it went down to 42.8 degrees, and after 6 minutes, it reached 41 degrees Celsius. That's a total reduction of 7.4 degrees, showing that the cooling performance is genuinely impressive. Of course, the fan isn't doing all the work by itself. The Oppo K15 also uses high thermal conductivity graphite along with thermal gel, combining multiple cooling technologies to improve heat dissipation and keep temperatures under control. So why would Oppo equip a mid-range smartphone like the K15 with an active cooling fan? Once you look at its overall feature set, the answer becomes pretty clear. This phone is designed with outdoor users in mind. The built-in fan helps maintain lower temperatures during extended navigation sessions and long periods of video recording, making performance more stable even when the phone is working hard outdoors. The display is another strong point. It gets bright enough to stay easy to read even under direct sunlight, making outdoor use much more comfortable. On top of that, the phone is built to handle the elements with dust and water resistance, so using it in the rain isn't something you need to worry about. One of the biggest highlights is the huge 8,000 mAh battery. To see how it performs in real life, we ran a 5-hour battery test with the screen set to 200 nits brightness and the volume fixed at 50%. After 1 hour of using each application, Douyin or TikTok used 10% of the battery, Weibo consumed 9%, streaming 1080p online video used just 5%, navigation drained 6%, and playing Honor of Kings took 12%. Altogether, the phone lost only 42% after 5 hours of mixed usage, which is an excellent result. If you're mainly relying on navigation, this battery can comfortably get you through an entire day. When it's time to recharge, the Oppo K15 supports 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. Starting from just 1%, it reaches 12% in only 5 minutes, climbs to 45% in 30 minutes, and completes a full charge in 79 minutes. Considering the massive 8,000 mAh battery inside, that's a very reasonable charging time. It also supports the PPS Universal Charging Protocol, bypass charging, and wired reverse charging, so you can even use it to power up other devices while you're outdoors, which can be incredibly useful in an emergency. The cameras are another pleasant surprise. Although you might expect some compromises in this price segment, the Oppo K15 actually delivers a very balanced camera setup. It comes with a 50-megapixel main camera featuring OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel front-facing camera that even supports autofocus. At around the 2,000 yuan price point, this is a genuinely complete camera system, rather than one that relies on low-quality filler sensors. It's perfectly capable of capturing everyday photos and videos with consistently good image quality. You also get features like real-time collage and AI object removal, giving you plenty of creative tools to work with. The rest of the specifications are just as well-rounded. With support for mountain and sea communication along with dual-frequency GPS, navigation is both accurate and reliable. The phone also includes full-featured NFC and an infrared blaster for added convenience. When you're outside, the dedicated high-energy outdoor mode boosts screen brightness, increases the volume of the stereo dual speakers, and reduces background noise, making the phone even easier to use in challenging environments. Overall, the Oppo K15 stands out as one of the most balanced smartphones in the 2,000 yuan price range, roughly £222 in the UK or around $296 in the US. Its built-in active cooling fan is easily one of its biggest selling points, delivering effective heat management and helping maintain stable performance. Combined with the massive 8,000 mAh battery and IP69 dust and water resistance, it solves many of the common challenges faced by people who spend a lot of time working outdoors. On top of that, its cameras and overall day-to-day user experience are impressively complete for the price. If you're shopping within this budget, the Oppo K15 is definitely a strong, all-round outdoor smartphone. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!